We're gonna start off with our kahiko section. And as you can see here, our dancers, I love this blue flooring because it looks like we're dancing on the ocean. And that's what we're doing. We're talking about Kauaʻi and we're talking about the waters around that area. And as you can see, the colors that the dancers are wearing are the green to represent the trees, the foliage. As you can see, it comes down to the sand, and just like the white, the foam, the crests of the waves, and as you look at their blue skirt, this is the waves. Talks about the beauty of the island of Kauaʻi. This is Hanohano Kauaʻi i ka Mālie.